thinking, where is my mother? Today I'm going to make this video. I made something special for my mother. Do you want to see? Then come with me. My name is Muskan. I'm going to make something special for my mother. You know why? Because it is Mother's Day. I will take Oreo biscuit and I will take a zip bag. Now I will take a Oreo biscuit and put it inside the zip bag. And I will put more. Now I will close the zip bag. Now I will crunch and crunch. Now we can use rolling pin also. Crunch, 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 crunch. If we crunch, it becomes like this. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I will pour the biscuits inside the bowl. How it looks. Take Nutella and pour 2 spoons. Now I will mix Nutella and biscuit powder. Mix, mix, mix. It looks like mud. You know why? Keep watching the video. Now I will take a glass and put chocolate biscuit. We are ready. Now I will take a stick and a Jim Jam biscuit. Now I will put this stick in the Jim Jam cream. Be very careful. Don't break it. Look, but the flower is so sad. I'm going to take gems and cream to decorate my flower. First I will put cream. We can put cream on the biscuit or leave it like this. We can take gems for decoration. My yummy flower pot is ready. You also make a flower pot like this and make your mothers happy. If you like this, then subscribe my video. Bye.
much for visiting our channel. We post some fun hands-on activities for you all every week. And so, to not miss out on these activities, simply subscribe.